about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, hey. They can try once, I'll come try to. Bestie, can you say a bestie for me? Sexy, can you keep it sexy for me? I know, keep it sexy for me. Can you say a bestie for me? You be checking on my text up, writing yourself for me, loving my ex. You be playing with my chest up, texting him on the low, they think I don't.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So this is me unboxing the wig. It was delivered by DHL and the shipping was actually very quick and smooth. So the wig came in this Alipearl sort of dust bag, would I call it? So here's me just unboxing it and bringing out the wig. Here's the wig. So let's get into that body wave. Lush, absolutely lush, love it. Also in the bag it had a melt band to melt your edges. It had a brush as well so you can do your edges. They had like another satin head tie. They also gave you a wig cap with 2 wig caps inside. And they gave eyelashes as well, so this was really cute. So next we went on to bleaching the knots of the wig just so that we can get the colour match right. So here we're just applying the bleach to the knots. After about 30 minutes we washed the bleach out and we are now plucking the wig, just taking off excess hair and just plucking it and making sure that the hairline is correct. So we're just plucking some hairs away.
Come try twice, but I know for your love I go shoot him and die. I never know, but I know about you. For your love I go kill him, but for you, hey. They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love I go shoot him and die.
Here is how the wig looks after being plucked. Step was to put the wig cap on my head and start to glue it down, preparing to install the wig on my head. So here we are just applying, spraying some glue, and then now we are blow drying it to make sure that the glue is ready for the hair to be stuck on. We just went in with some more spray. And we're going again with the blow dryer. We are now going in and cutting away any of the excess cap on the wig cap which we no longer need. So we're just cutting that away, and then we're going to go in again and do it on the other side as well. So we're going to cut around my ears and then we're going to cut off the front of the wig cap that's no longer needed. So here we are just cutting. So after we've sorted out the wig cap, we are just checking if the placement of the wig is correct. So we're just checking how it's going to look on. We're just checking if everything looks good, the knots are dyed properly, it's, you know. Then we are now going in with the glue. So we are putting the glue on my head. Putting small dots across my head.
My love today, my love tomorrow. You know go change, forever follow. Yeah. My love today, my love tomorrow. You know go change, forever follow. Yeah.
So after putting the glue across my head, we blow dried it, and now that it's a bit sticky, we are now pulling the wig down and installing the wig by sticking it down. So we're just here now, we're just pushing the wig down.
I can talk, say you sabi what I mean, I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love, I go shoot him and die. I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, They can try once, I'll come
So after we've glued the hair down, we're just going in with a melt band and we're just going to melt the lace. Once the lace has been melted, we remove the wig band and we are now cutting off the excess lace at the front and around the wig. So here we are just cutting off all the excess lace.
Get up, I'ma stand up for your love. Pass me your love, make I enter the place with this kind of go mad.
So after cutting off all the excess lace around the wig, we went in again with the melt band and we melted the hair a bit more. And here's us just taking it off. So as you can see, there's no longer any excess lace there.
They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love I go shoot him and die. My love tomorrow, you know go change, forever follow. Yeah.
You're now customizing the wig and putting in the part. I wanted to go for a side part, so here we are just creating that side part.
Yeah. And as I'm loving you today, see this love, yeah, they company won't go up and down like a jungle over, won't go up and down like a jungle over. Got a lot of love and it's all for you, eh. I can talk, so you sabi what I mean, eh. I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, eh. They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love, I go shoot him and die. I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, eh. They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love, I go shoot him and die.
So although this is already a body wave wig, we just wanted to go in and add some extra curls to the hair to add a bit of pizzazz to it. So here we are just putting in some extra curls.
About you, for your love I go kill him, but for you, eh. They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love I go shoot him and die. You know what we've been through. It wasn't easy, but boy, we made it through. I'ma get up, I'ma stand up for your love. Pass me your love, make I enter the place with this kind. I'll do anything for you. I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, eh. They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love, I go shoot him and die. My love today, my love tomorrow, you know go change, forever follow. Yeah. My love tomorrow, you know go change, forever follow. Yeah. And as I'm loving you today, see this love, yeah, they company won't go up and down like a jungle over, won't go up and down like a jungle over. Got a lot of love and it's all for you, eh. I can talk, so you sabi what I mean, eh. I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, eh. They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know.
Installed this wig is, guys, it's so nice. This is a 22-inch body wave hair, but guys, this wig is definitely longer than 22. Like, it's given longer than 22. Like, I love it so much. There was a minimal shedding. It's just so nice. Guys, just look at the hair. Like, the hair speaks for itself. Like, are you dumb? Like, it's given, excuse me. Guys, no, I actually love this. The lace was very easy to work with, quite flexible, and, you know, just, it was doing what it needed to do. Like, guys, get into this. Like, get into it. Like, quit playing. Like, quit playing. I love this so much. So this is day 1 review. I am going to come back in a few days and update you guys, or a few weeks and update you guys about this hair. Guys, check my description box on how to purchase this lovely wig. Guys, just, is you playing? Everything will be down in my description box. Click the link and, you know, treat yourself, because guys, like, this year we're coming nice, you feel me? Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Up and down like a jungle over. Got a lot of love and it's all for you, eh? I can talk, so you sabi what I mean, eh? I never know, but I know about you. For your love, I go kill him, but for you, eh? They can try once, I'll come try twice, but I know for your love, I go shoot him and die, yeah.